If I wanted to become a millionaire by 2027, I wouldn't start with money. I wouldn't start with investing. And I definitely wouldn't start by picking a random side hustle from some viral TikTok video. I'd start by doing the exact opposite of what most people do. Because the hard truth is this: people don't fail because of lack of opportunity. They fail because they spend years chasing the wrong ones. And if I had to begin again from complete zero, this is the exact blueprint I'd follow to make my first million by 2027. When someone clicks on a title like, "If I wanted to become a millionaire in 2027, I'd do this," they're expecting answers to a few key questions. What path actually leads to a million within 2 years? What skills matter most today? What steps separate people who make it from people who stay stuck? In this video, you're getting a complete roadmap: mindset, income skill, business model, strategy, and the systems you need to scale. This isn't motivation. This is a step-by-step execution plan you can follow chapter by chapter. And unlike most get-rich content, you won't hear hype, only a practical method used by thousands of people to jump from broke to financially independent much faster than they expected. So let's begin. Upgrade your internal operating system, your foundation. Most people want the tactics for becoming wealthy, but tactics don't build wealth. The right mindset does. Your operating system is the collection of beliefs, habits, and decision-making patterns that control how you behave every day. If the operating system is outdated, your results will be outdated too. Here's the truth: wealth is 20% strategy and 80% behavior. Most people fail to build wealth not because they're incapable, but because their behavior is built around survival, not growth. They avoid risk. They avoid responsibility. They avoid discomfort. They avoid learning. They avoid taking initiative. And slowly, they avoid opportunity. The fastest way to upgrade your internal system is to expose yourself to higher level thinking. Read books, study biographies, listen to long-form interviews. Understand how successful people think, not just what they do. This exposure rewires your brain. It shifts you from a consumer mindset to a producer mindset, from scarcity to abundance, from excuses to execution. Before you build a million-dollar strategy, you need to become the kind of person who can execute one. Identify your value zone, where wealth begins. Here's something people rarely admit: you can work extremely hard and still stay broke if you're working hard in the wrong direction. Your value zone is the overlap between something you enjoy, something you're naturally good at, and something the market is willing to pay for. And this overlap is where wealth is created. Most people choose only one. They pick something they enjoy, but nobody pays for, or something that pays, but they hate, or something they're good at, but demand is low. Your goal is to combine all three. You don't need passion. You need alignment. Ask yourself, do I prefer creative work or analytical work? Do I like working with people or working alone? Do I enjoy building things or optimizing things? Do I solve problems or do I create experiences? Your answers point to your value zone. If you enjoy creativity, content, design, editing. If you enjoy logic, automation, data, operations. If you enjoy communication, sales, marketing, consulting. When you operate inside your value zone, growth becomes natural instead of exhausting. You rise faster than competitors. You improve effortlessly, and you stick with it long enough to see results. Build a high-income active skill, your short-term accelerator. Forget passive income for now. Passive income is a later reward built on top of current active income. Your first mission is simple: develop a skill that allows you to earn money quickly and consistently. This could be editing, social media management, copywriting, graphic design, automation setup, content production, web design, short-form video editing, consulting, sales, lead generation, virtual assistants, branding. These skills are the new digital trades. They don't require degrees. They don't require big investment. And they don't require waiting years to get your first client. You can start improving today. You can start offering the skill this week. You can start earning within days. Active income gives you confidence, proof, testimonials, cash flow, momentum, options. It gives you fuel, and fuel is necessary before you attempt to scale anything. Active income is the fastest, most predictable way to go from zero to meaningful financial progress. Choose the right wealth vehicle, your millionaire map. Once you build a skill and generate active income, you need a vehicle, something that can scale beyond your personal effort. There are only 3 types of wealth vehicles that reliably grow. 1, a service-based business. This is the fastest to start and the quickest to profit. You already have a skill, now package it into a premium service. 2, digital products or education. Once you build expertise, you can package your knowledge into a scalable format that sells without more time from you. 3, online selling or e-commerce. With AI and modern tools, anyone can build and scale online product-based businesses faster than ever. Don't choose all 3. Choose one and commit. Confusion kills more dreams than failure ever will. One vehicle, executed well, can create more wealth than 10 side hustles executed poorly. Build an irresistible offer. This is what actually makes you money. You aren't paid based on your skill. You're paid based on your offer. A winning offer clearly explains who you help, what problem you solve, how you solve it, what results you deliver, why your method works, why it's worth the price, and what the buyer should do next. People don't buy services. They buy transformations. Social media management is a service. Growing your business with daily content that generates leads while you sleep is a transformation. Your offer should include 2 versions, a premium anchor version and a realistic main version. The premium option makes the main offer feel like a great deal. If you fix your offer, you fix your income. A strong offer can make you more in 1 month than your current job makes you in a year. Start conversations, the most underrated wealth skill. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Your income is directly related to how many conversations you start, not how many posts you make, not how many notes you take, not how many hours you overthink. Money flows through people, so you need to talk to them clearly, simply, confidently. The formula is straightforward. 1, start a conversation with a question. 2, ask what they're trying to achieve. 3, understand their challenges. 4, offer insight. 5, connect their problem to your solution. 6, ask permission to share your offer. 7, guide them through the next step. You don't need scripts. You don't need perfect wording. You don't need to be a salesperson. You just need to care enough to understand the person and help them. If you consistently start conversations, opportunities multiply. If you avoid conversations, your income stays flat, no matter how talented you are. Master follow-up, where most money is lost. Most deals don't fall apart because people aren't interested. They fall apart because people get distracted. Follow-up is the lifeline of any business. A simple follow-up framework is follow-up after 30 minutes, follow-up after 1 hour, follow-up the next morning, follow-up after 24 hours, follow-up after 3 days, follow-up after 7 days. Always friendly, always helpful, always clear. Something like, just checking in, did you still want help with this? Or, wanted to follow up before I close the conversation, what's your plan? Simple, direct, respectful. Follow-up turns almost into yes. It doubles your income without requiring new leads at all. Reinvest, don't reward. The wealth multiplier. The biggest mistake beginners make? They increase spending the moment money increases.
Wealthy people do the opposite. They reinvest into better tools, better equipment, better skills, better branding, better ads, better systems, better outsourcing, better delivery. Reinvestment is how you turn small wins into big wins. It's not about cutting all spending. It's about spending in a way that makes money, not drains money. Reinvestment creates momentum. Momentum creates scale. Scale creates wealth. Build simple systems. Your business shouldn't depend on you forever. At first, you're doing everything, but you don't become wealthy doing everything. You become wealthy by systemizing everything. A simple delivery system works for almost any service-based business. 1. Clear onboarding. 2. Gather client materials once. 3. Deliver fast wins. 4. Set weekly review or check-ins. 5. Ask for testimonials. 6. Ask for referrals. Systemize. Outreach, delivery, client communication, fulfillment, follow-up, payments, content. Systems remove chaos. Chaos is the enemy of growth. Systems turn your operation from unpredictable hustling into a predictable business. Build momentum. The last 20% that creates 80% of wealth. Momentum is the invisible force behind every successful person. It's what makes progress compound. It's what makes opportunities appear. It's what makes money come faster and easier. Momentum is built through consistency, discipline, daily improvement, execution, good habits, clear standards, repeated action, and patience. When you stick to one skill, one vehicle, one offer, one system, you grow faster than people who constantly switch paths. Momentum takes time to build, but once it's rolling, it makes everything easier. If this roadmap gave you clarity, make sure to like this video, leave a comment about which step you're starting with, and subscribe for more guides on building wealth, improving skills, and growing your income. And if you want to learn how to control your money as your income increases, the next video you should watch is Budgeting for Beginners, 10 Easy Tips. It's the perfect companion to this roadmap, and it will help you manage your finances with confidence. I'll see you there.